What's up, guys? A short update on the price of Bitcoin. Good news, $71,000 at the moment, and generally things look much better than before. The descending channel, right? That was kind of a threatening, but we still held it, and there is a positive sequence of lows at the moment. The level of $66,000, this kind of a narrow zone, which was support before, then we had a false breakout, then another false breakout, and the price finally went above it. And just recently, yesterday, there was the test of this zone, and pretty much as this channel, from the top of this channel, we also test it and see what's happening now. We actually above 70K again, and all that is happening. Well, like look at the like a zoom out picture. We had this decline for months already, and even recently this channel was also descending channel, so it was kind of a dangerous thing. Yet S&P 500 before that was all the growth. And just very recently, maybe from the mid of January, we saw this kind of a decline. And despite of this decline, what happens especially recently, like this area, Bitcoin shows a opposite behavior. So it starts to go up. Despite all the turmoil on Middle West and whatever situation with geopolitics and happening with like gold and so on, despite all that, we see a positive price action, which means, and like ETF outflows, whatever, it means that there is some strength in the price, and we're starting to see the turnover. We see like a change in the trend, at least locally. So I would also point out that this is local picture, right? But if you look at the weekly time frame and how it actually shows us the like a pullback from there and the oscillators behavior. So oscillators were at the bottom, at the very bottom, and every time when it is there, it's either the end of the decline or the change of the trend. So it is only weekly time frame, but it's also on a daily time frame. Look at that. It's also at the very, very bottom. So it starts to getting reversed. Of course, it could be still some period of time when we might have some kind of a transition period. But actually, it's already starting. So maybe on the monthly time frame, Heikin Ashi doesn't really show that, but on the weekly time frame, you see, that's the point of the reversal. The same as was here, the same was here, the same as was here, and so on. So and even there, it was not so long though, but I mean that was the potential, and now we have the same kind of potential happening. So I'm pretty optimistic again. Yet of course, like there's no certainty and everything can happen. However, with these small signs of like positive look at the charts, I think we're in a good shape. So, and by the way, the whole market is like this. So Ether also reversing the trend. So I tend to think that we have a very nice situation at the moment. Like even taking a long position, of course, not financial advice, not trading advice, not investment advice, all that. But I think that like the stop loss value here is not so low. It's maybe like, I don't know, 10% or something, even from the current price. But I actually think that we may still get some correction here. We definitely see a strong resistance area over there. So we might get even like this, or maybe like this. So at one of those points, I think it's a good option, good opportunity to start thinking of taking a long position. At least I will do. Again, not advising you guys, but at the point of time when Bitcoin will be $200, $300, $500, we will look at that situation and think, oh well, we should have known. Like it happens all the time and can repeats over and over again. So why did not we look at that in the proper way? So yeah, looks good, and I will keep you updated. Let me know what you think, and if you have any questions or anything in the comments, Telegram, Twitter, everything. Thank you very much for watching. See you next video probably next week. Goodbye.